Hi all, glad to join back with a new video. Well, if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and in this channel I'll be doing tutorials based on drawings, origami, artworks and anything both interesting and cool. Well friends, today we'll learn how to make an easy origami paper wallet. To make this you'll require an A4 sheet of paper friends. Now let's get started. So first let's fold our paper into half friends. Crease it well. Now let's unfold them and bring this flap towards the center point, like this. Crease it well. And repeat the same step on the other side as well, like this. Crease it. Now let's unfold this friends. You can just fold one side but unfold the other side. Bring this flap towards this crease. Crease it. Now let's bring this again like this. Crease it well friends. Now let's turn our papers like this. So in the back it will look something like this, a flap, a small rectangle and a big rectangle. And in the back side, this is how it looks. Now let's turn our paper like this friends. And do a fold like this. This is an approximate fold friends. Like this. Now let's just unfold this one and fold it like this in order to form a triangle and fold it back to its own position. Crease it. So now we'll be repeating the same fold on the opposite side as well friends. Well, this one is just some eye measurement friends. You need not just take a scale, measure and do. There's no harm in doing that, but I wouldn't recommend that doing friends. Crease it. And again form a triangle and fold it. Now let's turn our paper like this friends, the opposite, and bring the entire flap like this. Crease it well. Let's just flip it to the other side. So now our wallet is almost ready, but you can see that it's opening up. So now it's time to lock it friends. Gently open this. Insert this in a small gap over here. And so we have locked it in one side. It's time to repeat the same fold in the opposite side as well. Yes friends. So now we can fold it exactly into half friends. Like this. Crease it well. And our easy origami wallet is now all ready friends. To place some card like over here and some money right in here friends. Wow, isn't it cool friends? We made an origami wallet using just one sheet of paper and without glue, stapler, sellotape, etc. friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also ring the bell icon to get notified from my upcoming videos. And until next time, this is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.